In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a link in an email using Zapier. This process is straightforward and designed to make your emails more interactive and helpful by automating link embedding, which can enhance your communication efficiency. Now, let's dive right into it and explore each step in detail, so you can follow along comfortably. First, you'll need to head over to the Zapier homepage. Zapier is a powerful tool that automates workflows between various apps you use. By connecting different applications, you are able to streamline your tasks, including sending emails with embedded links automatically. If you're not logged in yet, look for the login option at the top right corner of the page. Use your credentials to log in, and if you don't have an account, you can easily sign up for free. Once you're logged in, you should be on the Zapier homepage. This is your dashboard where you can manage your Zaps. Those are the automated workflows you create. When you're ready, click on the button that says Create. This will bring you to a page where you can start configuring your new Zap by defining the tasks you want to automate. Next, you'll want to select Zaps from the dashboard menu options. This step is crucial because it brings you to the heart of your workflow automation in Zapier, where you can manage your existing Zaps or begin creating new ones. Click on Create Zaps to start setting up a new workflow. This will open up a new interface where you can specify the trigger and action for your workflow. Essentially, the trigger is the event that starts your workflow, and the action is the task Zapier performs automatically. At this point, you will need to set up a trigger. A trigger could be any event that you want to kickstart your workflow. For example, it could be receiving an email, creating a new calendar event, or receiving a form submission. Choose the application and event that suits your needs best to proceed. Once this is done, you will add an email action. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to customize the email sent out, including crafting the content and embedding your desired link. Make sure to test your Zap to ensure everything runs smoothly. Testing is a vital part of this process to confirm that the email, complete with your embedded link, is correctly formatted and sent as expected. If your test runs successfully, you'll then activate your Zap. After that, Zapier will handle the rest automatically, sending out emails with embedded links whenever your defined trigger event occurs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a system where links can be embedded into emails using Zapier, streamlining your communications effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!